How to join the Stardew Valley multiplayer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to join the Stardew Valley multiplayer. It's a quick and easy setup, so let's get started. To play with friends, start by selecting the co-op from the main menu. From there, you'll have two options to join a friend. First is enter the invite code or join the LAN game if you're on the same network. So if you want to join the LAN game, it should be on the same network or else you could enter the invite code. One of you will need to host the game. For this, click on host, then host a new farm. You'll be prompted to name your character and customize the world. Therefore, you can set how many starting cabins you'd like for friends to join. Choose the settings you prefer, then skip the intro if you want to get into the game faster. Once the world loads, you will see invite code at the bottom. Share this code with your friends. They just need to enter this code in the co-op menu under the enter invite code and they'll be able to join your farm. And that's it. This way you can enjoy multiplayer with friends. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.